In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website on Webador. To begin, open your browser and search for Webador. Click on the first result from their official website. Once the homepage loads, click on the Get Started button located at the top right corner of your screen. You will now be asked to choose the type of website you want to create. This could be a personal website, an online store, or a blog. Select the option that best matches your goal and then click on Continue. Next, enter your website title, which will be the name of your website, and click Continue. After that, you will be asked to enter an email address. This email, along with the password you set next, will be used for your Webador account. Once you have entered both, click on Get Started. Webador will now ask you a few questions about what your website is about. Choose the most relevant options and continue. After this, you will be asked whether you want to start with an empty website or one that is pre-filled with content. It is recommended to choose the pre-filled option because it saves time and gives you a strong starting point. You can always edit or replace the content later. After selecting pre-filled content, choose the type of business or personal project so Webador can generate relevant content for you. You can also enter your website goals to help the AI builder create more accurate content. Then select the initial pages you want on your website and continue. Next, choose any professional features you may need, such as a custom domain name, email mailbox, integrations, or SEO settings, and then continue. After that, select your preferred website color or theme, followed by your font pairing. Webador will then create your website automatically using the selected settings. You may also be asked to choose a style for your website and whether you want to register a domain now or later. Finally, select a plan that matches your needs. Once completed, your website will be created successfully, and you will be able to see it along with the pre-filled content. You can click on any element to edit text, replace images, or paste your own content. New elements like titles, images, and buttons can be added from the left-hand side of the editor using drag and drop. The Pages tab allows you to manage all your pages. You can add new pages, create subpages, or rearrange them easily. The Design tab lets you change colors, fonts, and templates. And the Settings tab allows you to manage your website's overall configuration. If you ever want to create another website in the same account, you can do so directly from the dashboard. And this is how you can create a website on Webador.